dry after putting it in water. Take some sand and spread it around evenly over a flat surface. Spray an even coat of red waterproof shoe paint over the top of the sand. Use a wooden stick to mix it up. Continue spraying it on until all of the sand turns red. Let's run a cool experiment. Pour the waterproof sand into a jar of water. Since the sand is heavier than the water, it just clumps up at the bottom. Perhaps red Martian stones look just like that. Let's continue the hydrophobic experiments. Try to remove the sand from the water. It remains dry. It's true magic sand. It really shows the water's repelling effect you can amaze your friends with. I've invented a new method of painting. It's painting with my feet. Fold a piece of bubble wrap in half. Cut out 2 double soles. Cut out a hole in the top part to put your foot in. Use a lighter to melt the edges. Put on the bubble slippers. Apply some paint and step on the paper to stamp it. You can jump and stomp painting with your feet at the same time. Oh, what's this? Is it an evil green monster? Oh no, it's just a fluffy cutie of my friend. Meet Sebastian, a little soft creature. Take a piece of faux fur and cut out 2 circles. Fold and sew them down on the wrong side. Leave a little hole. Hot glue the stitch to fasten. Turn it fluffy side out. Put in a soft filling. We used crushed foam plastic. Hot glue the hole. Squeeze 2 hot glue circles onto baking paper. Use black acrylic paint to make 2 pupils. When dry, apply another hot glue coat. Take the eyes off the paper. Hot glue to the fluffy ball. Sebastian is the cutest little monster I've ever seen. It's a perfect stress ball. Besides, it has no mouth, so it won't tell your secrets to anyone else. What about a sparkly banana? Have you ever seen it? Peel off the top half of a banana. Cover the peel with napkins. Sprinkle the banana with edible glitter, rubbing it in. Remove the napkins. Here's a sparkly blue banana. Can I eat it? I've never tasted it before. Do you want to try something non-standard? There's nothing more unusual than a glittering banana, only your lips are shining as well. To remove the glitter, go to a bathroom. Oh, there's no soap. But I've been practical enough to take my own DIY soap. It's no ordinary thing, but a gummy one. Pour some water to cover gelatin. Heat it in a microwave to dissolve the particles. Add food coloring. And put in edible glitter. Add a little shampoo and mix it up. Pour the jelly into silicone molds. Refrigerate. When hardened, use it as soap. You can make the gummy soap of any shape and color. The soap trembles and shines. It smells of shampoo. I've never seen such beautiful soap before. It froths well. Did you like the weird ideas to beat your boredom? Write in your comments what you liked the most. a fluffy Sebastian, magic sand, or sparkly banana. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and click the bell. Watch Troom Troom and forget about your boredom.